everyone, my name is Maya Tina Sanchez Ablao. Today we are going to talk about adjectives. Let's start at the beginning. What is an adjective? Adjectives are words that describe or give more detail about a noun, a person, place, or thing. What do they describe? Examples: color, the red ball; size, the tiny mouse; shape, the round clock; feeling, the happy child; sound, the loud music; taste, the sweet apple. You can also use adjectives to describe people. Examples: tall, short, friendly, funny, smart. And sentence: the friendly teacher helped the students. You can also use adjectives to describe things. Examples: soft, shiny, loud, bright, small. In sentence: the small notebook is in my desk. Also use adjectives to describe places. Examples: beautiful, quiet, busy, old, clean. In sentence: the island is a peaceful paradise. Now, let's practice using adjectives to describe nouns. Look at this picture. These kids, how would we describe these kids? We could use adjectives: happy. They look pretty happy with those big smiles. What else would we describe them? Do they look clean or do they look messy? Yeah, they look pretty messy. Happy and messy describes these kids. Good job! Activity time! Let's play the adjective game and find out how much you learn. Look around and find something to describe. For example, describe your favorite toy, pet, or even the weather outside. Using the adjectives, write 1 or 2 sentences about the object you choose. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.